Hello and welcome to the Xenial channel. I'm not a real human, and this isn't my voice. I was created using AI tools, and my image was generated with Midjourney. The voice and video were created with DID. But don't worry, I'm here to help you create your own version of a similar video. So sit back, relax, and let's get started.
It might seem incredible, but we are now in an age where in a matter of minutes we can create well-written blog posts to promote our businesses, design some unique artwork options to accompany it, generate a nice background music track for any podcast, and put together some snappy social media posts to promote it all. All of this is thanks to the power of generative artificial intelligence. This video would show how to create your own artificial intelligence avatar like the one you just heard. Midjourney is an independent research lab that explores new mediums of thought and expands the imaginative powers of the human species. We would use Midjourney to create our avatar. To do so, open midjourney.com on your browser. Midjourney is an independent research lab that explores new mediums of thought, and its AI model intends to expand the imaginative powers of the human species. Once you log in, go to Discord and enter any of the newcomer rooms. It is here that the AI magic happens. If you scroll, you would see people using this room to generate their images. Come to the bottom of the screen and type the description of the image that you want Midjourney to produce. I am writing a prompt that I saw on Reddit. After writing your description, press enter and Midjourney will take anywhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute to produce the first set of images. So this is the first set of images that Midjourney has produced. This is 4 images, and at the bottom you can see buttons from U1 to U4 and V1 to V4. Basically, U buttons are used to upscale an image, and if you want the server to produce variations of one of these set of images, use the V buttons. I don't like any of the first set of images. I'll press the regenerate button to re-execute the command to generate the second set of images. In another few seconds, we have the second set of images with us. Click on the image to expand the view. I like one of the images, the image number 4. I'll hit U4 to upscale this image. Scroll down a little. Here we have the upscaled image. Click on it and save it on your system. After saving the file, we would now go to did.com to create the final piece of our video. Once you log in, you would see that there are many pre-built avatars. However, we would have to upload the avatar that we just now created to make use of it in the final output video. After uploading the avatar, type in the text that you want your avatar to say. DID will convert this text to speech, and it will also create a video from your avatar. Once done, download it, and you're done.
Hello and welcome to the Xenial channel. I'm not a real human, and this isn't my voice. I was created using AI tools, and my image was generated with Midjourney. The voice and video were created with DID. But don't worry, I'm here to help you create your own version of a similar video. So sit back, relax, and let's get started.